Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue you are getting an error preparing to launch game while trying to launch the game Ghost Recon Wildlands in your Windows PC. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There is very easy and simple fix to it. All you have to do is to first of all click on Start menu and type in Ubisoft. If you have not installed this app, make sure you must install this into your system. After installing, right click on the Ubisoft Connect and you will find the option of Run as Administrator. Click on it. Once the app is launched, go ahead, log in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, minimize it. Now you need to locate the anti-cheat folder, which is by default available in C drive, program files x86, and here is anti-cheat folder with the name Easy Anti-Cheat. Open it. Now you need to open your web browser and download the latest anti-cheat by clicking on this link, which is official Epic Games website. Save the anti-cheat into your PC. Once it is saved, right click on anti-cheat and choose the option copy. Now you need to open the directory of the Easy Anti-Cheat. Here right click and paste it. Hit replace the file. Give admin rights, and once it is pasted, close it. Now you need to restart your Steam, select the game and hit the play option, and the issue of preparing to launch will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.